we are going to fly it like we stole it, try to get up as much time as we can.
To go to the heart of election trauma is to go to Georgia.
Next stop is ATL West parking.
It's the state that gave us the interference case, complete with Trump phone call.
I just want to find 11,780 votes. Fellas, I need 11,000 votes. Give me a break.
And then it gave us the Trump mugshot and the prosecution for election fraud, currently paused. This year's vote was in the courts, long before it reached the polling stations. Legal challenges to the election process in Georgia and across America number more than 90. Republicans talk of restructuring a flawed system. Democrats call it a Trump effort to sow mistrust and chaos.
There are people like me who are not afraid to rock the boat.
Donald Trump calls Janelle King a pit bull for victory. She's on the Georgia State Election Board, which oversees voting. As a Republican, she's been involved in legal challenges that a judge threw out as illegal, unconstitutional, and invalid. I suppose there are those who wouldn't share that view, that pit bull for victory. They would say pit bull for delay, disruption in the election process. What would you say to that?
Well, I would say that that's all hypothetical, just like his statement is. I mean, there's nothing that would indicate that that will happen.
They are cheaters. That's the way they do.
That's true. They're professional thieves.
Cheating is the charge, already from Donald Trump.
Are from early voting.
If Trump is laying the ground for legal challenge, the man who once took his call asking for votes,
James Matthews from Sky News,
is asking for trust.
Are Donald Trump's comments helpful?
Well, doesn't faze me. I just continue to put my head down, do my job. And I think if people want to find out what's really going on, just ask Brad.
Republicans are making preparations for a lengthy legal battle in the wake of the election. Democrats, too, are wargaming likely scenarios, starting with Donald Trump claiming victory prematurely on election night. With one advocate for voters' rights, we talked uncertainty and the fear of it.
What bothers me more is there being any iota of uncertainty in the mind of eligible voters as to whether or not they're allowed to vote. And that just should not be permitted to happen.
It is concern for the coming election informed by the violence of the one just passed. In American politics, looking forward is difficult without looking back. James Matthews, Sky News, in Atlanta, Georgia.